All right, it's Tuesday morning after that lovely, insane storm last night. I'm going to walk you through all the debris, but I did spot something good here that happened. The rain catchment system has that much water in it. You can see the shadow line. Oh, piece of branch over here, but which means that that's full of water. This here's full of water. So the water levels in the pipes up to here. So we got probably several gallons in the pipe. Let's see how sort of debris we got over here. We got a lot of debris laying out through here. Oh man, it's up here in the peas. Well, the peas are looking good though. Not more in the peas here, jeez. And so there's a lot of it. It's very little debris went on that side because the wind was blowing from the trees towards the garden yesterday when it's doing its insane thing. More stuff down. Get this out of the way so I don't trip on it. See some more pieces. I'm gonna have to go out there through the clean all the way over onto several pieces onto the patio over there. So yeah, this is just insane. You know, these friggin' willow trees are soft, fast growers. They have no strength in their limbs and stuff. So I want to get them out of here. Plant something else here that's stronger and doesn't break off of 1,000 branches every spring. But I mean, yeah, you can just see all this crap here. Fortunately, it kind of hard to tell. I don't see any broken pieces off the apple trees or the cherry trees like I had before, but we'll look around at it and just see what's going on in here. Yeah, more branches out here. Don't need that up on there. Get the grandsons out here. They spent the night last night. But yeah, we got stuff down out here. Got stuff out there. Some other out there blew over. But oh, let's go check out the other tote here. See if we can see if there's any water in it. Yeah, I can see a little bit in it. Let me get around on the other side. Most of these aren't hooked up yet. They're just trying to act as a windbreak, because generally the wind comes from that direction and hits everything going this way. Last night's storm was just the opposite. And okay, so I got that valve off. So all the water, any water came off the house roof would have been in here. Not much off of this one here. Yeah, maybe half an inch in the bottom of that one compared to the other one. The shop roof had a lot better. Oh man, everything around here on my yeah, finish work on my stuff things there. But yeah, this poor little pumpkin here was getting beat around, but it looks like it survived. Other pumpkins are looking in pretty good shape. Oh, damn. All right, that cantaloupe survived. Get these away from the so those two cantaloupe were okay. Stupid rabbit got in here and ate two of the cantaloupe here. Shoot. Yeah, munched on that cantaloupe with some too. So now I'm down to just 1, 2, 3 cantaloupe left out of 15. No, out of 16. There were 16 cantaloupe. So I got 3 left here. Stupid rabbits. Anyways, a lot of damage here to clean up. Get stuff out of here. Ugh. But yeah, I'll get the grandkids out here helping me on it. They'll enjoy it because it's something unusual. But yeah, those trees have got to go away. I mean, you know, a lot of the little stuff like that out there, I could probably just, you know, I have done in the past like that stuff just because it's really soft. It just came down, run over it with a lawnmower. It's so soft it breaks up really easy, and I just mulch it up. But you know, that's the pile that the grandkids came out here and cleaned everything up of, that I couldn't run over with a lawnmower and didn't dare. But shoot. Alrighty guys, see you later.